Banged on the window, completely ignored me, driven off at speed. For information, I am advanced and TPAC trained. A380, standby. A380, committed A380 lane 1, speed 90 miles per hour. Swerving all over lane 2, standby.
Roger, monitoring.
There are 2 males in the vehicle. Safety of the public at large and other officers involved.
Roger, received.
Standby, braking now. Braking, pulling off onto the off slip at the top of Telegraph Hill. Standby.
Standing by. Roger.
Zero vehicle has come off the A380. Coming to the junction at the top, and we've gone left. Victor 20, standby, vehicle braking. Still left at the top of the junction, standby, vehicle slowing, vehicle pulling into a car park, standby.
Roger.
20, vehicle has now just taken out a Forestry Commission gateway, it's gone straight through it, and it's now off-road into Holden Wood, standby.
Roger, received. Do I have a dog unit towards at this time, please acknowledge?
Okay, 73, making now from Ken 4. Accurate location, please. 20, we've gone off-road, we've gone into Holden Forest, standby, it's a 4x4. I am content to continue at this time, I'm on a forestry track, standby.
Standing by.
Yeah, at the moment I'm in a suitable vehicle, depends how far they go off-road.
Yeah, Roger, received. You are being monitored and watched by Oscar 99 at this time.
Yeah, 20, I've lost, temporary loss.
Roger.
20, can 99 tell me which way you went?
99, you want to take call through?
99 left, and he looks like he's rolled it. We've got him on the camera, he's rolled the vehicle. 20, if you flash a torch or something at us so we can ID you.
Have we got any movement from the vehicle, 99?
Nothing immediately obvious, however it is difficult to see, there's quite a bit of tree cover. Obviously as soon as we can, 99, with any support up here.
Yeah, Roger. I'm unsure how to describe how to get to that location for Oscar Delta 73.
20, I can do that.
Roger, 20, do you want to take talk through with 73 briefly and we'll get the dog towards us?
Yeah, Oscar Delta 73 from 20, Phil, come off the A380 at the top of Telegraph. At the end of the off slip, go left as if you're heading towards the obelisk. As you drive down there, you'll see, look on the first pull-in onto the forestry land. On the left-hand side, you'll see a broken gate. You went straight through the broken gate. I'm down there, mate. I'll leave my blue lights running.
We now have 2 people escaped from the vehicle making out into the forest.
Yeah, 20. Can 99 see where I am and can guide me in, please?
99, I'm truly sorry, I cannot, Sarge, at this time. I'm going to have to keep an eye on these 2 because they're going through dense bracken and I will lose them if I zoom the camera out. I'm single crewed this time. This is a perfect job for the dog unit. If you can help the dog unit get to where you are, we'll have them.
Oscar Delta 73, code 6 with 20.
Roger.
99, I've lost them in the dense woods now. We'll just have to look at containment this time.
Roger.
20.
Go ahead.
Is 99 in position to tell us exactly where the vehicle is from where we are now, please?
He's looking now.
99, dog unit, go to your sort of 12 o'clock front of your car, down the track there. That's it, you're going past a police car on your left, that's it, spot on, straight down that road. It's a good few hundred yards, I think. Yeah, it's going to be a bit of a jog for you. But once you get to their car, which they've rolled, they've gone away from the car at sort of the car's, I'd say 11 o'clock. 99, due to the dense undergrowth at this time, we have lost eyeball on them. What we'll do is we'll stay up in the air and try and keep them contained.
Roger. Roger.
99, the two offenders are just ahead of the dog unit. Yeah, everyone, you're going to get them very shortly now. They'll be on your right-hand side. They're climbing over into fields.
Yeah, before you're right next to them.
That's it, yep.
Two zero, 1099, give us microphone.
99.
I'll attempt to very shortly. Just let you get them first before they leg it.
Yeah, 2-0, dog's loose.
Roger.
No, they've jumped. The next one, the dog is still loose. The dog has not got one.
Yeah.
That's it, chaps. Straight over there on your left. One in the hedge and one buried, not moving.
The second one.
99, he's there, right, dog, where the dog is, the dog's got him now, just to the left of the dog, just to the right of the dog.
That's it, straight ahead. Confirm you have the male or female.
Two zero, two detained.
Fantastic result.
1859, do you need help with transport?
1859, yeah, I believe we will.